morning. My name is Adeleke Ademi. Thank you for joining me once again. Today, it's a pity that I have to go back to the issue at the NDDC. But I'm not talking about all the monies. They said they supplied chairs for 4.39 billion and they tracked the chairs that were supposed to be supplied to the company that supplied it, and it happened to be a senator. What a fantastic story of corruption. But what I want to talk about this morning is just the intending arrest of Joy Niniev, the former acting MD of NDDC, and the intervention of Governor Wike. One thing is this: every arm of government should be allowed to perform their duty, even when you think somebody is being castigated. The good thing about the case of Joy is that Nigerians are aware, and I'm sure that civil rights lawyers are already waiting if anybody wants to trample on this woman. Thank God that Governor Wike too is a lawyer. I will advise, let whoever has come from Abuja to do the arrest do their job. When they do their job, they have to charge her to court. They can't keep her there forever. If she has a case or not. If she has a case, all she has to do her own explanation, and then if they have things to charge her for, they charge her to court. The police are not the courts. They are just to investigate and present the facts to the court. So please, there's too much drama. We know that Nigerians are interested in knowing where the money for Niger Delta people has been going. Nigerians are not interested whatever the power politics that is going on between all these rogues that are seated in one office or the other. Anybody that have soiled their hands in the Commonwealth of Nigeria, they have a right to be interviewed. She has been accused of so many things also. So also they must, all the people, the directors, the minister, everybody, that they have to interview all of them. So it is not limited to only Joy. And I think EFCC have to do a great service to Nigerians here. The new guy could start on a good footing if he handles this case well. We are watching, we are monitoring, and we will continue to report from here. We don't want anything missing. Whoever you are and you have stolen, we bring you out here. Nigerians, we know. The newspapers are filled, but we just don't report anything. We want to report the truth of the case. Not only the facts, the truth of the case. So we are not supporting anybody, we are supporting Nigerians because Nigerians deserves to know. God bless you. See you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. God bless you.